Everybody, it's Lynn from LynzCraftzDesignz. I think I've got a quick one today. These are just beads that I rolled out. These are just scrap clay from when we were making the ancient people's earrings. So they don't have holes in them yet or anything, but I just had them set aside because I knew I wanted to do something different with them. Okay, spit that out. These are the Mayspring mica powders. Two different sets. This one is called now you get 10 grams of each. Mica powders do way different amounts, so some of them may seem fuller than others. Do not despair. Alright, this one is the pure copper. Mermaid dust. That's pretty. Royal gold with dog hair. Peach gold. Red wine. Olive gold. Charcoal black. Tropical blue. Okay. Pacific blue. And pearl white. Okay. That one's the two tones. I think. No. This one's the gemstones. Turquoise blue. Golden labradorite. Bronze stone. That one really speaks to me. Violet crystal. The white chalcedony. Oh, so does that one. Rose quartz. Lovely gold shimmer on that one. Silver druzy. Appears to be a really dark, mysterious silver. Purple amethyst. Green pyromorphite. Also just stunning. And shiny malachite. You know, my problem is, I don't know what to choose. For the white ones, I think I'm gonna just do the white chalcedony. It's a very summery feel color. Okay, for the white ones. For those black ones, I really want those mermaid dust. I don't know why. Okay, now that I'm saying that, I want the mermaid dust on the white. Sorry, two-tone collection. I'm gonna do the bronze stone on the black ones. I have the feeling some of those got mixed up. I bought these several years ago. I believe they're on my Amazon shop list. Because we've opened the bronze before, obviously, we're gonna do those. We're gonna do the bronze first. Okay, just get the bag open. Just getting the bag open. I cannot touch mica powder without being covered with it, which is not a big deal unless you got white ones you need to handle too. So obviously these have been in here for a while, rolling around together. So some of the white ones have black on. Okay, now let's... Now obviously I could just dunk those in the bag. Okay, now here these are, ready to put holes in. Oh, they're so pretty. Now, I didn't clean my hands off completely. I did use an alcohol wipe and wipe them off a couple of times. But I want to trade out the whites for the blacks we already did. Okay. Now these whites, I'm going to flip over. My paper, and we're going to do the same thing with the mermaid dust, although possibly not quite so much. Another bag. Now, like I said, if you want, you could just dunk those beads straight in this bag, and then you wouldn't be wasting a bag. But I don't want to dump out all of that. It really and truly only takes a tiny amount. Come on. There you go. Okay, now we got just about all of that back out. Now, let's take these beauties out. It's a little bigger. Now these, there's 10 of. Still another one hiding. There we go. There we go. It will still need to be sealed. It will still scratch off and stuff. Hey, not bad at all. Now some of them will need a little re-rounding when we put the holes in, but those are pretty. Okay, I told you it was gonna be short and sweet. I'm gonna put holes in these, and then I'll show you putting a hole in one. Sparkly fingers aside. Okay, I just barely put the pin in, and then I start to spin. And once you start to spin, you'll see where the bead needs to be more centered. Okay. And then I'll just continue to spin. Okay, then I'll barely push the end of the pin just to give that hole a nice look. Spin it around, reinsert the pin, and do the same thing. Okay. They're really hard to hold on to when you've got mica powder on your fingers. It's like silk on silk almost. Okay? I'm gonna put holes in all of these, and then I'm gonna okay, here they are. These are the black ones. We put that two-tone brown stone or stone brown or whatever it was called. And then this one was the gold mermaid or mermaid gold. I don't know. Alright. Alright. I just put a coat of the gloss glaze on them and strung them up, and they're good to go. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. I know it was a really short, sweet video this time, just to show you what you can do with scrap, unattractive beads. Scrap black and scrap white that were really unattractive. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video you watch. Bye for now.